Creating a membership page in LeadPages is simpler than you might think, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Stick around till the end because I'll be giving you an exclusive look at a better alternative for this, along with an extended free trial, so you won't want to miss that. Let's dive into creating that membership page. First off, when you log into your LeadPages account, you'll want to click on Create New Page. This brings you to the template gallery. You can either choose a pre-made template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, let's pick a template that is specifically designed for membership pages. The templates are designed to be user-friendly, but keep in mind, the customization options can feel limited compared to other platforms. Next thing, once you choose a template, you're going to be in the page editor. Here, you'll start adding the core components of your membership page. You'll need a sign-up form, and LeadPages makes it easy to integrate with email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Drag the sign-up form to the page and customize it with fields like name, email, and whatever extra info you need for your members. One thing to note is that the customization options here are a bit limited in terms of design. If you're looking for more flexibility, this could be a deal breaker. The third thing, let's talk about membership access control. LeadPages doesn't have a built-in membership system, so you'll need to integrate with a third-party tool like MemberPress or another plugin. This can make things a bit tricky if you want a seamless experience. Keep in mind, using third-party integrations can add an extra layer of complexity, and the setup isn't as straightforward as some users would prefer. Now, let's move to the fourth thing, payment setup. If you want to charge for membership, LeadPages can integrate with Stripe or PayPal. You'll need to connect your payment processor and configure the settings in your LeadPages dashboard. It's not difficult, but it could be a bit cumbersome for someone who's new to these systems. Next up, you'll want to add the content your members will be accessing. LeadPages allows you to embed videos, documents, or even external links, but the content management system isn't as robust as something like Teachable or Kajabi, which specialize in delivering memberships. If your membership relies heavily on content delivery, LeadPages might not be the best fit in the long run. The last thing you need to keep in mind is the mobile experience. LeadPages offers mobile responsive templates, which is great, but not all of the designs will look perfect across all devices without some tweaking. Always double-check how your page appears on mobile before you hit publish. Now that you've got your membership page set up in LeadPages, here's the big secret I want to share with you. While LeadPages is a great option for beginners, especially for simple landing pages, when it comes to full-fledged membership pages, there are other platforms that offer much better features for this goal. I'm talking about Teachable, Kajabi, and Thinkific. These platforms give you more powerful tools for managing memberships and content. And the best part? They all have free trials too. But here's the exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available for viewers of this video. You can test out the alternatives I just mentioned without any commitment and see for yourself how they compare to LeadPages. So, while LeadPages is a good starting point for creating a membership page, if you're looking to scale, manage content, or provide more flexibility, the alternatives I've shared today will serve you much better. Check out the link below to get started, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tutorials and insider tips.